Hello and welcome to a new video, and today we are going to experiment with zones and the rule engine, so let's go. And we are in our fleet tracker workspace, and as you can see we have our zones in here, and we will talk a lot about zones in the next videos, but for now you will have to see we have already 9 zones in this map, and we are in this city here. You can see the devices spread across the map. We have 10 devices here and so on, and we have the little circles that represent the zones in our city. And what we have developed is the easiest way to know if devices go into the zone or out of the zone inside of our rule engine. So we will have to go to our rule engine, zone entry, and again my time zone. You can select your own branding depending on where, if you have a white label site or not. And in here we are going to take the tracker product, and as you can see all of the devices are included in it. We can control that. We can also filter the devices using tags, but you know that already. And as triggers, you will see that our list keeps going bigger and bigger, but it's very easy. In here we have simply a zone entry, and you can filter again by tags inside of the zones. You can add tags inside of the zones. We will talk about that later, but in this case we don't want to filter anything because we don't have that many devices, we don't have that many zones. So we will simply say zone entry and no conditions. It can be that your condition is like the device went into the zone and another condition. In this case we only want to get a notification if the device entered the zone, and I want to get an email notification. So I'm going to add my email address in here and say that the device activated the rule, and I can say the recipient and the device activated the rule. That means the device entered the zone, and I can add the action and save the rule, and that is my zone entry rule. As easy as that. Now I am going to generate a zone exit. So I'm going to do exactly the same. Select my device, select zone exit. Again, no filters. And I'm gonna add an action, and I'm gonna add my email address, and I'm gonna say the device exited zone. And I can say actually when exited at and the daytime. So now you know you can also add extra information to your email, and you can create a notification when your devices go in and out of a zone. So as easy as that. This is a very short video, and yeah, let us know if you have any questions, and we will talk about zones later as well. Thank you for watching and stay tuned.